Bangalore, a city where innovation meets lifestyle. And at the heart of every beautiful home story stands Design Cafe. India's most loved home interiors brand is back, bigger, closer, and more inspiring than ever. Welcome to the grand launch of Design Cafe's fourth experience center in Bangalore at Hebbal. Now, just 10 kilometers away from every home. With this launch, Design Cafe celebrates not only its fourth store in the city, but also its 20th experience center nationwide. From MG Road to Whitefield, from HSR to now Hebbal, Design Cafe's journey mirrors the spirit of Bangalore itself, modern, thoughtful, and always ahead of the curve. Each experience center brings the dream of personalized home interiors closer to every homeowner. And today, North Bangalore gets its own destination for design inspiration, a space where creativity meets comfort and technology meets taste. Spread across 3,500 square feet, the Hebbal Experience Center invites you to explore a world of design possibilities. Step into a fully designed 3 BHK sample flat, complete with modular kitchens, wardrobes, bedrooms, and living spaces, all crafted to perfection. Every corner showcases Design Cafe's signature strength, space-optimized solutions that offer up to 20% more space without compromising style. And yes, it features 4 of Design Cafe's premium modular kitchens, each reflecting elegance, efficiency, and innovation. For homeowners in North Bangalore, this is more than a store, it's an experience. Here, design isn't imagined. It's lived. Here, you don't just see your dream home, you step inside it, from dining areas that host memories to wardrobes that redefine organization. Design Cafe brings together aesthetics and practicality, style that thinks. Design Cafe's story began right here in Bangalore, founded by award-winning architects Geeta Ramananu and Shezan Bhojani. Their vision to democratize design, to make personalized interiors accessible, intelligent, and affordable for every Indian home. And as Design Cafe celebrates the launch of its 20th store nationwide, the Hebbal Experience Center is not just another milestone, it's a promise that every home in Bangalore can now access great design within 10 kilometers. Design Cafe began with a simple yet powerful idea that every Indian home deserves thoughtful and personalized design. With 4 experience centers across Bangalore, we've built not just presence, but trust, one home at a time. We are super excited to launch our 20th Experience Center and our 4th in our home city, bringing us closer to customers in the north. If you're making your home in North Bangalore, you simply can't afford to miss this store. Behind every stunning home lies precision and passion. Backed by a 65,000 square feet state-of-the-art factory with advanced German machinery, Design Cafe ensures flawless finishes and consistent quality. Each home goes through 51 rigorous quality checks and comes with up to a 25-year warranty because great design must stand the test of time. Every piece, every panel, every inch is crafted using top-tier materials and thoughtful engineering that saves space while elevating style. But the Design Cafe vision doesn't stop here. Through its growing network of 12 franchise partners, the brand is empowering entrepreneurs across India, design enthusiasts who share the dream of building beautiful homes. With technology, training, and nationwide support, Design Cafe is enabling new success stories, fueling the interior design revolution, one city at a time. At the Hebbal Experience Center, every visitor becomes a creator. Walk in, explore, and discover modular kitchens, wardrobes, and living spaces that adapt to your life, or connect virtually with Design Cafe's expert designers for personalized consultations. Every interaction is hands-on, interactive, and inspiring, designed to turn your dream home into reality. From Bangalore to the rest of India, Design Cafe continues to transform the way homes are imagined and built, With over 15,000 homes delivered across 13 cities, Design Cafe stands tall as India's only home interiors brand founded by award winning architects. So step in, get inspired, and begin your story of design right here at Design Cafe Hebbal, Design Cafe, where every home begins with a dream.
This is Madhuri Sharma from Design Cafe Experience Center from Nepal. So I'd like to show you some space saving units here. So this is partition with TV unit. So it's a rotatable TV unit with the storage of the back side. So this is partition. So yes, the one more option we have is the foldable bed. So whenever you have to access your room, so you can just fold the bed and you can just use the space. So we have this one more option, which is pull-out dressing unit. So like where you don't want to waste your space for the dressing proper. So this is pull-out option where the mirror can be given on the shutter, and here you have the storage. Yes, here's saving unit. This is one more option with the cabinet where you want to where you want to store or where you want to hide your storages, and this is the storage. You can go with the drawers. So one kids bedroom also. Show you the kids bedroom options. So we have this wardrobe with the Duco print finish, and we have this again pull-out study unit. So if you want to use your space saving cabinet, you can plan with this. And we have drawers. So wardrobe with pull-out study and the drawers. So again we have this bunk bed options and the study unit. Again seating with storage. So here we have this one more storage unit under the bed. So you can access it. Yeah, I mean you can use it like a bed, like a sleeping area for the kids. So here we have this one more study unit. So the study come dressing unit, as you can see you. So here we can plan a mirror. So it's dressing with study unit. So study, under the study you can go with the drawers. On the wall you can go with the lacquered board. And on the wall you can go with the wall units, open shelves and the wall units. So where they can display toys and storages, books and all. So above this we have planned this bunk bed. So where a kid can, like bunk bed for the kids, it's really exciting. Here we have this bunk bed option as well. So this is how we have planned this kids bedroom with the open space play area in the
Thank you.
My name is Geeta Ramnan. I'm the co-founder and CEO at Design Cafe. I'm so happy to invite you and showcase the newest showroom that we have launched at Bangalore, at Hebbal. This is our 4th showroom here in Bangalore, a very special one. As you can look around, and if you actually see this, what we've done right here is an inspiration from Terminal 2 of Bangalore, the world-class, world-famous airport. But the inspiration echoes because at Design Cafe, what we are specialized in doing, what we take pride in doing, why we have delivered more than 10,000 homes and why customers come back for us is because we personalize every home for every family. We have been in business, and as you can see this year, we are starting and now celebrating our 10th year anniversary. And this is because of the love that feedback that we have gotten from our customers. We have 3 stores already in Bangalore. We have a store at MG Road, another at Whitefield, HSR, and now with this Hebbal store, there is 1 store at every 10 kilometers of a customer in Bangalore. Please come to Design Cafe for getting a designer home that is affordable. And we started Design Cafe with the mission to democratize home interiors for India's homeowners. Why should only the high-end customers get access to very good design? This is India today in 2025. And everybody deserves a home that talks to them, that reflects who they are, their personality, and who they feel, what they want to showcase themselves as. At Design Cafe, this success has been because we own the entire system, which means that we actually have our own 65,000 square feet factory in Bangalore, where every single item is manufactured. So when you come to the store and you see every kitchen, you see a storage solution, a TV unit, a wardrobe, all of this has not only been designed by us, but it has been manufactured in our own factory and then installed by our own team. It is the exact same thing that you get at your home, which means that you can be assured of the quality as have 10,000 owners before you. It is with this promise that we actually are very happy to open this store, our 20th, and in our 12 cities that we are across the country. Thank you so much for this opportunity, and we look forward to serving a lot of the homeowners in North Bangalore a lot better. Thank you.
ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ
ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
It's pollution free. The material.
The material.
So at Design Cafe, all of the materials that we use are a combination of natural materials and materials that are sustainably sourced, which means that we do not use hardwood, which is actually a threat to the environment. We use sustainable materials like engineered woods. So plywoods of the highest grade and engineered materials to make sure that you are not being a threat on the environment. In addition to that, all of this is manufactured and put together at our own factories with minimal wastage, which means that at all points in time, you are being a friend to the environment when you actually choose design.
So which sector of people you are targeting? Which sector of people you are targeting?
Design is primarily started to make sure that we have every homeowner in India who deserves a home that can come to us. What does this mean, right? So typically, there is a common sensation, there is a common idea that if you own a home of 10 crores and above or 5 crores and above, you will go to an architect or an interior designer. Unless you go to a local contractor or carpenter to get your home done. Now, there are a lot of contractors and carpenters who do a very good job. But equally, there are times when there is no guarantee of the material, there is no warranty after that. There is no after-sales maintenance when something goes wrong. It is exactly for this reason that we created Design. We wanted to make sure that India's middle class, people like me who grew up here in Bangalore, who understand what it means when we put it, and with our hard-earned money, we buy a home for between 60 lakhs to a crore in Bangalore today. When we buy that home and then we want to get our home materials done, but we want something that will last a generation, that we don't want something that we will throw away in a couple of years. And it is with this guarantee that we actually build Design Cafe into it.
So what's your roadmap?
So we are here at the launch of our 20th store. We have done this within a period of 9 years. We are just starting our 10th year celebration. We are looking to take Design Cafe's promise, which is quality designer home interiors at great prices to every homeowner in India. So we want to make sure that there is a Design Cafe store across the country. We are in 12 cities today, and we aim to be in the top 25 within the next couple of years.
How to contact Design Cafe?
So most homeowners, how do they actually begin this journey? You can go online to designcafe.com, go to our website, look at the designs that we have, understand the materials, understand about styles, understand about the process. You can also directly come into one of our stores in Bangalore. This is our 4th store, MG Road, HSR, Whitefield, and Hebbal now. We have one store within every 10 kilometers of where you live in Bangalore. If you come to a store, a designer will sit with your layout plan, understand, give you a proposal that covers all of your requirements and also your personality, and personalize a home design for you. This is done for free. There is no charge for this design proposal given to you. Once you accept it, once you like it, you then sign up with us. We take measurements and then we give you a detailed design, which is then sent to our factory, manufactured. The designer in the meanwhile will work with you, select a line, select curtains, select wall finishes, do false ceiling if you want to do false ceiling, help you select your bedding. And then by the time all this comes together, all of the material from the factory comes, gets installed, and you are ready to move into your home with no hassle whatsoever.
Thank you. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಶಹಜಾನ್ ಅಂತ, ಶಹಜಾನ್ ಭುಜಾನಿ. ನಾನು ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಕೆಫೆದು ಕೋ ಫೌಂಡರು. ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಕೆಫೆ ನಾವು 2015 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇದು ನಮ್ದು ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಕೆಫೆದು 20th ಸ್ಟೋರು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಟೋಟಲಿ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಕೆಫೆ 19 ಸಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ನಮ್ದು 10th ಇಯರ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್. ನಾವು ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಕೆಫೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 10 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಓವರ್ 15,000 ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಕೆಫೆಲ್ ನೀವು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ದು ಯುನೀಕ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ ಮನೆ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ನಾವು 1 hour ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 45 days ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ? ನಮ್ದು ಓನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಇದೆ. 65,000 square foot ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಜರ್ಮನ್ ಮಷಿನರಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 45 days ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ 25 years ವಾರಂಟಿ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ 45 day ಡೆಲಿವರಿ, 25 year ವಾರಂಟಿ, 1 hour ಡಿಸೈನ್. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಎಟ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಕೆಫೆ. ಬನ್ನಿ, ನಾವು ಇಂಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಲವ್ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ನೀವು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಮ್, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬನ್ನಿ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಕೆಫೆ.
ಸರ್, ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಬೈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫೀಟ್ ಆರ್
ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫೀಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಗೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಸೈಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ ಜೊತೆ 250 ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವೇ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಿಂಗ್. ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ದ ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಯರ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೈವುಡ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ರೇಂಜ್ 2 BHK ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 5 lakhs ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. 3 BHK ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 7.5 lakhs ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ನೀವು ಬನ್ನಿ, ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಬೈ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಪವರ್ ಆರ್ ಎನಿ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ?
ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ನಮ್ ಓನ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಇದೆ. ನಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಪವರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲಿ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಕೆಫೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 700 ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಕೆಫೆ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 750 ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ 30 minutes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಡಿಸೈನ್.
ಈಗ ಕಂಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಅದರ್ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್, ಹೌ ಅಫೋರ್ಡಬಲ್?
ನಾನ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಕಂಪೇರಿಸನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಕೆಫೆಗೆ.
ಹೌ ಅಫೋರ್ಡಬಲ್, ಹೌ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ದೆನ್ ದ ಪ್ರೈಸ್?
ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಸರ್. ಈ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಈ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ನಮ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕೊಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಓನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್, ಓನ್ ಜರ್ಮನ್ ಮಷಿನರಿ, ನಾಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಲೋಕಲ್, ನಾಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಚೈನಾ, ಫ್ರಮ್ ಜರ್ಮನಿ. ಜರ್ಮನ್ ಮಷಿನರಿ, ಇಟಾಲಿಯನ್ ಬ್ಲೂ, ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾಮಿನೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಕಿಚನ್ 1.5 lakhs ಆನ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕಿಚನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
Thank you.